basically the BMW 330i BMW Mzansi edition has been added with some features. So it still contains the same engine, which is written up here right now. So it's just been added with some hints of making it sporty, if I can say it like that. Like the blacked out grille in the front, the carbon fiber splitter on the bottom, the blacked out accents, the red brake calipers. Look how amazing that looks, guys. So this has red black brake calipers with the M logo hidden in them. It also gets an exhaust system, which sounds amazing, and I'm just gonna put up everything up here right now so you guys can hear how this beast sounds. And this is how it is on normal. So at the back, it has a carbon fiber spoiler. Hope you guys can see that. This is real carbon fiber, by the way, guys. Carbon fiber spoiler. Just open up the boot. So many liters of capacity it has written right up here. So it's a big boot. I could fit in there. I'm pretty tall and big. I could fit in there. As you can see, it also gets a dual double exhaust pipes, which it's an active exhaust, guys. On sport, has the pops, the crackles. On eco, it's quiet. On comfort, the pops come and go sometimes. But yeah, with the red diffuser, I don't know if it's functional, but there's also a red diffuser over there. So I think that's all from the outside. We're gonna go back in the inside so I can show you everything that's in the inside. So inside you are greeted with these hugging seats, literally, and all the seat belts. Since it's the Mzansi edition, all the seat belts get the three important stripes for BMW: the light blue, dark blue, and red seat belts, to show you that you're not just in a normal 330i. There's soft touch leather. The steering wheel, the whole steering wheel is wrapped in leather. Oh, sports traction. So I switched off the traction here. Switch it back on, so it's on sports individual. So I'm just gonna rev it up again so you guys can hear it. So that's how it sounds from the inside. The outside noise I already showed you guys. Then it has this infotainment system. I believe it has a name for it. I'll just put it up here. Let's just see. There's Android Auto, there's CarPlay. Oh, it's a bit laggy. Oh, there's M time lap. Okay. Oh, do you guys hear that? I don't know what kind it is. So right now we're sitting at the back. You also get the special seat belts, leather seats, with the stitching that you also get in front. So you can see the blue stitching. And I must say this back is also spacious, with the sunroof. Fortunately, there's no panoramic roof. Sunroof is just there. And yeah, I'd sit long distance. I'll sit at the back and I'll enjoy it. Then you also get 2 USB-C charging ports. The only USB charging port is in front, and it's in the center console, which is right here. So it's right there. That's the only USB that you are going to find. Oh, sorry, it's right there. Oh, there's another charging port in here, and there's another USB charging port in there next to the gear lever. And I think that's how we're going to wrap up this review. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share it. Thank you very much. See you on the second episode.